Good morning, all. Zolf log here from 1965, where Terran scientists have discovered bird poo. We go to our field reporter for more.
I'm stood in front of an avian fecal matter collector. Oh, they've cleaned it. Oh, it's a telescope.
Thank you, 7T. What at first was thought to be interference from bird poo on the telescope turned out to be echoes of the Big Bang. They call it cosmic microwave background radiation. This radiation is everywhere and is very weak after having cooled for roughly 13.7 billion years. Listen up out there.
I did a good job of cleaning it.